The caged bird sings because it must. It must or die. Maybe it must and die. I don't know, but it must sing. Sometimes the melody arrived at in the cage is much more fetching, much more appealing, much more profound, much more poignant than the melody arrived at by the bird who's on the loose. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill. Its song is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. Freedom. Freedom, let me out of here. Let me out of here. And so there's something universal about that song, since all of us are caged in some way or another. And so people can hear it and say, oh yes, oh Lord, let that bird